What's up, everybody? Mousepad Gaming here, and today I'm going to talk about how 343 Industries is having problems porting the Master Chief Collection over to PC. So, on April 17th, there was a post from Sketch, who is the community manager from 343 Industries, and he was talking about how they're having issues porting the game over. So, here's the article. Alright, and here's the post from Sketch on April 17th, 2019. So, right here is the first sentence that he is teasing that possibly Halo Reach coming to PC is going to be delayed. So anyways, let's get into what he said. So it says, previously I've said that if things go according to plan, flighting should begin this month. As we're now in the back half of April, I'm still optimistic this will be the case, but it's also possible those plans may not fully land as we intentionally hoped. So, the fact that I said optimistic sounds like it's a good chance that that flighting will be coming by the end of April, but also the fact that he said it's also possible those plans may not fully land as we intentionally hoped. So this makes me think that there's some kind of issue that they're having, that it might not be fixed by the end of April, which will delay flighting, which will then, if the flighting is delayed, then the release for the game on PC is going to be delayed. So anyways, let's continue. And right here, he's explaining that they have Reach running on MCC on the Xbox One, but they are having problems with the PC. So anyways, let's get into it. So it says, not to tease, but I have Reach MCC running on the Scorpio dev kit at my desk right now. That's where we get the screenshot of the campaign UI that shared in the last community update on Xbox. It's looking and playing great already. So as right here it says that the game is running on Xbox fine, but they haven't really said in this sentence that they're having issues with the PC, but in the next paragraph, this is where it's going to get juicy, where they're going to explain what they're having problems with. So anyways, so this paragraph right here, they are telling us what issues they're having for MCC for PC. So anyways, let's get into it. It says, PC is considerably more complicated and requires a lot more work. We have internal builds floating around and have had lots of internal playtests that have been helping to generate bugs and gather valuable feedback. One of the team's main priorities to support PC flighting is getting the mouse and keyboard controls feeling as good as possible. And there's been good progress on the front. Some key things are still coming through though. For example, in yesterday's playtest build, the full UI and functionality to remap keys isn't in yet. So if you want to change defaults, it requires launching a separate application that works for now but isn't viable experience for any kind of external flighting. It's right there, they're talking about that they currently don't have any remapping for keyboard controls, which is kind of a big thing when you're playing on PC, because not everyone uses the keyboard the same way everyone else does, and a lot of games on PC has keyboard remapping. And the other issue that they're talking about is that the mouse and keyboard that they want the mouse and keyboard controls to feel as good as possible. So this is also another key thing that I'm glad they are taking their time to get this right, because I want to make sure when I use my mouse and keyboard, I have better aim than using a controller. So it says, the other big factor and dependency of flighting is getting telemetry implemented into the game build to ensure our team can get the critical data and insights they need to validate all the hard work they're doing and the specific goals for a flight. This is complex and all new work that has to be done for each flight. I'm also learning that just the process of carving out a safe build that can be flighted to external people is a learning process. While we've done this with MCC on Xbox all last year, doing this on Steam is a brand new process and is something we're still learning as we go. So here they are trying to learn how to get their telemetry system on Steam, so they can get obviously their critical data and insights that they need to work on the game. And right here is some hope in this whole post. So anyways, let's get into this last paragraph here. So it says, to help tide folks over, Postmust is working on April's development update. So we're gonna have to check on that. I'm gonna do a video about Postmust April's development update blog. So anyways, let's continue. Which we're targeting for release sometime next week. Our partners at Splash Damage have passed along some insight and updates into the work they've been doing, and we're also poking our collages here to maybe throw us a screenshot or two. When we do get closer to the first public flight, we're also going to be do a proper stream and showcase Reach and where it currently stands. Since the flights won't be under NDA, participants will stream the content. We want to get out in front of that and play it ourselves to provide proper context and insights of players on what will be a work in progress. Alright, so right here, as you can see, I mentioned it already, but I'm going to say that Postmust is working on an April development update blog. So there's going to be more information coming in the next couple days to a week from now, and we'll get more information about MCC and Halo Reach coming to PC. We also might be getting a screenshot or two of the current build of MCC coming to PC next week. Also, they did mention when they do get close to the first public flight, they're going to do a proper stream. So, if they haven't announced a release date for the flights, they're going to do a stream. So when that stream happens, then we are going to know that the flights are close to happening. Alright, and that's it for the post, but I'm going to read the last sentence if you guys want to be a Halo Insider or want to know what's going on with the Halo Insider program. So anyways, we're still seeing a steady flow of Halo Insider signups, and we're incredibly thankful for the outpouring of support across the community. Hang in there, we're eager to share and show more as soon as we can. So basically, Halo Insider program is going to be the people that are going to be picked out to test out flights of Halo Reach, which is basically, this whole post is about Halo Reach's flight for PC, and they are just letting us know that it's coming. It's going to sound like it's going to be a little bit longer than 343 hoped, which again, like I said, is most likely going to delay Halo coming to PC. But anyways, the link to this post is going to be down in the description. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. If you love Elder Scrolls, if you love Borderlands, if you love Halo, then subscribe now. Woo!